In this video, you'll learn how to archive in Notion effectively. By following these steps, you will create a structured way to manage your completed tasks or projects, ensuring they are easily accessible when needed. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. After signing in, look for the option to add a new page. This is typically located in the left sidebar. Click on the button labeled Add a New Page. Once you click this, a blank page will open, allowing you to start your archiving process. Next, click on any blank space within the new page. This action will give you the ability to type commands. To create a toggle list, type in /toggle. As you type, a menu will appear showcasing various options. From the menu, click on the option that says Toggle List. This action will create a toggle element on your page. You will recognize this toggle by its distinctive indentation and the small arrow icon next to it. Once the toggle is created, proceed to click on it. This will expand the toggle, allowing you to add contents underneath it. Now, type in the word archive or any other relevant title you wish to give to this section. This title will help you identify the archived items later. After entering the title, click on a blank space outside the toggle to save your changes. This action will ensure that your toggle is properly set up and ready for further organization. Now, type in page in the blank space. This will create a new page within the archive section. Once you see the option, click on Page from the drop-down menu that appears. A new page will open, prompting you to enter a name for this subpage. Type in the desired name that reflects the content of the archived items. This will help in keeping your archive organized. After naming the subpage, navigate back to the main page by using the back arrow or selecting the main page from the sidebar. Once back, click on a blank space again to prepare for the next step. Type page once more and select page from the drop-down. This will allow you to create another subpage within your archive. Enter an appropriate name for this new page as well. After naming the new page, return to the main page again. This time, click on the 6 dots icon that appears next to the page title. This icon represents the option to drag and organize your pages. Drag the pages you want to archive into the newly created archive section. This action serves to move completed projects or tasks out of your active for future reference. Notion does not have a dedicated archive function, so this method is a practical workaround. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.